In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings. If your chart has started to look cluttered, the colors feel off, or your scales and session markers don't behave the way you expect, a quick reset can bring everything back to a clean, reliable baseline. The process is simple, and it only takes a few clicks. First, make sure you're looking at the specific chart you want to reset. This action applies to the chart you have open in your layout, so confirm you've selected the right symbol and pane. Take a quick mental note of any customizations you might want to reapply later, such as a particular background color or session breaks. Next, open the Chart Settings panel. You'll find it by clicking the small gear icon near your chart's toolbar. On most layouts, it sits toward the upper right of the chart area. When you click it, a settings window appears with several categories like Appearance, Scales, Trading, and Events. Inside that window, head to the Template tab. This tab groups options that let you save and reuse your preferred chart settings. It's also where you can instantly revert things back to the platform defaults. To perform the reset, click Apply Defaults. TradingView will restore the default values for your chart settings, giving you a fresh, consistent starting point. Your symbol and time frame remain the same, and this action does not delete your watch lists, alerts, or account-level preferences. It also doesn't remove drawings or indicators you have added to the chart. It focuses on the chart's settings themselves, like visual appearance and behavior. After applying the defaults, scan your chart to confirm everything looks right. If you prefer a different theme, or want session breaks, grid lines, or trading markers shown a certain way, you can fine-tune those from the same chart settings window at any time. The idea is to start from a clean slate and then adjust only what you truly need. One quick note for multi-chart layouts. The reset targets the active pane you selected, not every chart in the layout. If you want a uniform look across several charts, repeat the action on each chart. And if you decide later that you prefer a different configuration, you can always revisit chart settings and adjust or apply another template. That's all it takes. By opening your chart, clicking the gear icon, going to the Template tab, and choosing Apply Defaults, you can reset TradingView settings quickly and confidently. This small habit keeps your workspace predictable and helps you troubleshoot visual quirks without guesswork. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!